Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to draw and color a caterpillar. So we'll start with the sketch. Draw a line like this for the center portion of the leaves. Then make another line over here for the curve and here as well. Notice that in the lower portion we have more space and at the top we have less space. And as you move towards this side, make sure that on the right side you have a curved edge and on the left side you have a very pointy edge of the leaf. Now over here we'll draw the caterpillar. We'll first draw a circle like this, a really small circle. Attached with that circle we have more circles over here, this way. And few more, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we add the legs portion of this caterpillar this way. Next draw the antenna of the caterpillar like this. Now draw the eyes this way. Make small ovals for the eyes. We'll shade them up with black marker. Make the smile of the caterpillar and its eyebrows as well. Now make the sun over here and its rays this way. Over here add a little butterfly, make a center line and a small circle for its head and draw its wings this way and add the antennas as well. Similarly, we'll make another butterfly over here. Draw the center body of the butterfly, then her wings and her antennas. Next over here, draw the veins of the leaves this way. Also draw the nodes from where the leaf is attached to the ground this way. Add grasses here and add a flower over here. Also attach some leaves to this flower. And similarly make another flower on the left side as well. A flower with 2 leaves. Adding more grasses in the background. And that's it. We are done with the sketch. Now we'll use crayons for coloring and outlining this picture. Before that, we will start by lightening up the sketch over here. Using an eraser, erase the entire picture gently so that the graphite becomes lighter on the paper. The pencil lines is becoming lighter on the paper this way. Now take yellow crayon and color the head of this caterpillar. Also color this front portion of the caterpillar and the legs as well. Using an orange crayon, I'm going to outline the caterpillar's head, and I will also add antennas with the same color. When you're using these crayons, make sure that your crayons are sharpened well because we will be outlining with the crayons as well. So if the crayon is well sharpened, then it will be easier for you to outline and you will definitely get your outlines in place. Otherwise, a misplacement of line is very common if your crayon is blunt. The orange crayon, you color up this portion of the body. Next, take pink color and color this portion of the caterpillar. Each circle will be in a different shade of crayon. Next, take light blue color and color this portion of the caterpillar. Next, use dark green color and color this back side of the caterpillar here. Take pink color and add it in the leg portion of the caterpillar here, the last 2 legs. Now use a black marker for outlining the eyes, nose and mouth. Color the eyes this way as well. Take yellow color and add it in these parts of the leaf here. Over this yellow color we will add light green later on as well. This way we get a fresh green color for the leaf. Using dark green color I am making the veins of the leaf as well. Once I'm done with the veins, I take light green color and color the leaf. Adding color in the middle portion of the leaf and towards the end as well. See over here how I'm darkening the center portion of the leaf, and I'm only coloring the top portion of that area here. And at the bottom I'm darkening up the bottom portion of the leaf. This way it gives the leaf a 3D look. Even on the stem I'm doing the same thing to create a 3-dimensional look of the stem and this bottom area over here. I'm using dark green color for this portion. Now I also outline this leaf with the dark green color. Using light blue color, I outline the cloud. I'm using pink color for the butterfly here. I use violet color for the center portion, the body of the butterfly and its antennas as well. Next over here, take yellow color and add it on the wings of the butterfly here and outline these wings as well, this way. Next, using light blue color, add color in the background of the cloud as well. Make sure it is very light and not dark at all. I outline the caterpillar as well. Using red crayon, I outline the orange portion of the caterpillar. And using dark pink color, I outline the pink portion of the caterpillar. And using the dark blue color, I outline the dark blue portion of the caterpillar. And so on. Remember the flowers that we made at the bottom? I'm coloring the left flower in pink color, this way, and the right flower will be in yellow color. Outline the yellow flower with an orange color and outline the pink flower with a dark pink color. Now also outline the stem and leaves of the flower and then fill color, that is light green color, inside it. The same dark green color for outlining the grasses that we have made. Next, use light green color to color over the grass area. Be careful, do not color over the flowers. With a light pressure, just spill color in this grass portion. Make sure that all the strokes are in one direction and white spaces are not visible. You don't have to do it in dark tone, it will be in middle tone only. Just a mild pressure is more than enough for this portion.